Are you also having a year-end existential crisis? Because I totally am, and I am trying to distract myself doing different things, but nothing's like really working in the corner of my mind. My mind is it's there's a ticking bomb that's saying the year's about to end. What did you achieve, and what did you really do this whole fucking year? Okay, I'll be honest with you right now. I don't have any idea on what to talk about, but I really wanted to make a video as a reminder that do not be hard on yourself. I decided I would be posting every day, but during the weekend, I did not feel like posting anything at all, and I didn't have the time to record even. So I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna force this on myself. I need to be fine with whatever is happening because like just go with the flow. If you keep forcing things to happen, it creates resistance and it's never gonna happen that way, which is why I thought, you know what, I'll give it a day or 2 days rest, and I'll be posting whenever I feel like it. It doesn't have to be, I don't need to rush into anything. And that's that. You should also not be forcing anything if you feel like you don't feel the best. So take some time off, watch some TV show or anything. Like I'm again watching The Office. I recently finished it, but I'm starting it again because the ending was, oh god. I don't want to talk about the ending. Um and as you can tell, I'm always wearing this same sweater. It's because it's my favorite sweater, and also because I I'm just like I don't own a lot of clothes because I don't feel like I should be investing in clothes. And this is a sweater that my mother made, which has an Avengers logo on it, and it's pretty nice and pretty cool. I feel like an Avenger, so yeah, that's that. Uh, what else? There is literally how much time left? 20, 21, 20, 23. 23 days left until 2021, and I am thinking, wow, the year is literally really fucking ending. Uh, um, you should like just literally just keep this energy to yourself. Whatever you have, write everything you're feeling down. Make goals or vision boards if you really want to, and if you don't want to do any of that, just lay in your bed and do whatever, like watch some movies and do whatever the fuck you want to do. And it's time, like I take one thing very seriously. When the year is about to end, I cut people off. People who do not serve me, like the people I don't like, I'll just cut them off. So that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to go on my social media and remove a little, like few people, because they do not match with my energy, and I'm not in the mindset to be judged or judge somebody. So I'm gonna do that. Also, I feel like I've been writing songs, and I feel like I should be like just running away from here, because nothing happened the way it was supposed to happen, and I'm having like second thoughts, like what if I should be having or planning goals for 2021, because I did not really achieve the goals that I was supposed to in 2020. And if I should be focusing on one thing, or if I should be focusing on one thing that matters to everybody else, or the one thing that matters to me, which is like music and this YouTube thing. It's really is like my it really is like my video journal thing. Like I record my feelings and everything, and I let it out here, and I'm fine with people watching it as long as they can relate and not uh, be offended by any of the stuff I say. I don't think I say anything offensive, and if I ever say so, maybe let me know. I'll apologize for it. What else? It's about, I'll be watching a few movies, I think, and I'll be writing songs. I'll be uploading a few songs as well. The songs I'm writing these days, and I'll be working. Um, yeah, work is still like happening, like I'm still working. I did not expect myself to be working when the year started. I was expecting myself to study more, but I took a gap and I started earning, and that's what I'm doing. I'm working, so that's, yeah. I did not expect myself to earn at all. I was like, you know what, who's gonna give me a job or even an internship? Like, what are my capabilities except like fooling around and being a, what should I say, a stupid ass person? But I've been working. I have been working as a content writer, content creator for a while now. So yeah, that's fun. And if you're still having second thoughts about whether the year end is going to make you feel good or bad or anything, like, just try to distract yourself, because a lot of people are going through the same thing. A lot of people don't feel like talking to anybody these days. A lot of people are feeling just not the best. So yeah. And let's just say I did, like, I had a few accomplishments, but I do not feel like they are accomplishments, and I have not really achieved the bigger goals in my life. And I'm just 22, like 21 years old, and I'll be 22. And uh, I don't know what's gonna happen. So why am I having an existential crisis? Is because this anxiety in my mind is like, dude, the year is ending. How are you going to make your dreams come true if you do not like keep pushing yourself, and if you don't like stop, if you stop posting on YouTube, then your videos won't get the views. I think my videos literally get 9 to 10 views, and that makes me very judgmental about myself, that am I even doing the right thing? Because, well, am I? Who knows? But I do feel like it's my part of my plan to help people, and it has always been a part of me. I've always wanted to help people and everything. So if my videos, like even one of my video, ends up helping somebody or making them feel less alone, less lonely, so that would be great. And that would be like my goal would have been achieved. And yeah, that's about it. My goals are simply singing songs with Taylor Swift in a huge stadium, going to BTS concert, going to a lot of concerts actually, and helping people in whatever way I can, make music and sing and do something creative for the rest of my life. It sounds very simple, but it's not very simple. No, it doesn't sound simple, right? Singing with Taylor Swift, yeah. That has been my goal for like years. I was obsessed with Taylor Swift in 2013 when her song Love Story, like, I don't know when it came out, but I know that I was obsessed with the Love Story and Begin Again and Back to December. If this was a movie, We're Never Getting Back Together, You Belong With Me, all these songs by Taylor Swift, like I was obsessed with those. And even now I'm obsessed with Taylor's like music. There are a lot of artists that I look up to, and sometimes I think like maybe I wish I could also be like them, and I wish I could also perform in front of huge big crowds, but I don't know if that's ever gonna happen.